Stop scrolling, guys. I want to show you exactly how you can do this or this or this using just your phone. And you'll be doing all this doing what is called CPA marketing. That's how you used to get all those things I just showed you right now. And I'm going to teach you guys, because CPA marketing is just simply partnering with companies and earning a commission once you partner with them. I don't know if you've ever heard of Sabinus, Sidney Tucker, Macaroni, talk about maybe Octa FX and all that. These guys that you see there are CPA marketers, and they make money off doing deals with companies. Doing this particular skill, you can literally become financially free. You can pay your rent, you can pay your bills, any kind of problem you have that is money related, you can literally solve all of them. So if you want to learn how to be like any of these guys that you see right here, I have a live 3-hour online training where I'm going to specially take 3 hours of my time to show you exactly how to benefit from this particular business. I'll show you the 3 steps you need. I'll show you how to get deals, how to qualify your customers, and how to make a lot of money doing this business. So if this interests you, click on the link around this video to get started immediately and increase your chances of changing your life today. So go ahead and click on the link around this video to get started immediately if you want to hop on this opportunity. It's totally free. You're going to make a lot of money from this, but it's going to be a 3-hour live training. So click on the link around this video. You're going to be taken to where you're going to register, and also you're going to be joining the waiting group. So click on the link around this video right now to get started immediately.